Hello, Rose Expert Panda here. The perks of having nails is when you're looking for rose seeds, it's like a little mini knife. So the bulbs at their past bloom date can grow into variable sizes and variable shapes. And once you look inside, there is one big delightful seed in here. I'll show it to you right here. And there it is. What you do with these is you get them a little baggie, put them in the baggie, put them in the freezer for a while until you're ready to grow them.